Well, today we have to do a little function firing with our .30 carbine because that's really our home defense gun. And we need absolute reliability with the .30 carbine in order to qualify as a home defense gun. So that means we got to take it out once in a while, say once every month, month and a half, and run a magazine through it. So let's go ahead and do that and split some playing cards. We'll go ahead and chronograph the loads also. The first load we're chronographing is the HVAC .30 carbine 110 grain soft points. Now I know that HVAC isn't well regarded today, but .30 carbine ammo is very good. So actually it's Bitterroot Valley Ammunition Company, and they make some ammo that's very good. You may have heard some bad reviews about some of the other ammo they make, but among the good ammo they make is .30 carbine and 41 Magnum. Give you a close-up of those. The 41 Magnum's loaded in nickel spear cases and 1550 feet per second and gold dot bullets. Paid $26 a box for the 41 Magnum, $23 a box for the .30 carbine. So great value, and this is about 3 years ago. As you see, the .30 carbine's excellent looking brass has 110 grain soft point bullets loaded in top brass and loaded to full velocity and low standard deviation. 2014, 2029, 2035, 2032, and 2008 for a high of 2035, low of 2008, average 2023, which is nice for the .30 carbine, spread of 27, standard deviation of 11. That's pretty good factory ammo. So even though a lot of HVAC stuff is really bad, the .30 carbine stuff's pretty good. And as for accuracy at 12.5 yards, put 4 rounds in one hole, took out the playing card, and the first shot was high at 12 o'clock. There you see the card that was shot with the .30 carbine, 5 shots. It did not quite split the card, but about 1/16 of an inch is still holding it together. But that thing was hit about 3 or 4 times. Okay, now let's chronograph some of this Tula steel case .30 carbine ammo. And we'll go ahead and shoot playing cards at the same time. Same accuracy that these will get at 12.5 yards. Here's the M1 carbine shooting the Tula steel case .30 carbine ammo. Well, we fired 15 rounds of the Tula ammo, and it's steel case, and it's underpowered. We had 2 rounds that did not eject. It extracted and then put the empty casing right back into the chamber. So it resulted in 2 malfunctions requiring cycling the operating handle to clear. Okay, so that Tula ammo, 1999, 1981, 1963, 1943, 1987, high of 1999, low of 1943, average 1974, spread of 56, deviation of 21. So it's kind of like practice type ammo, and it's cheap, but doesn't function 100%. It's not bad for going to the range with. Accuracy of the Tula ammo is not bad at 15 yards. That was shooter error, and you see it nicked the card a couple times, but didn't split it. So again, good practice ammo only. But no problems with the HVAC. It functioned fine, and so we're good for home defense with the HVAC ammo.